Microsoft Hololens is a holographic computer that you wear on your head and enables your digital world to interact with your real world.
Using buildwagon, we developed an application for the HoloLens that allows you to raise a virtual pet. Buildwagon is a platform to develop applications for the HoloLens using JavaScript. Development on buildwagon is so easy thanks to a comprehensive library, HoloBuild, that will help you use the HoloLens features.
When you start the application on the HoloLens, you will get spatial mapping. This is when the HoloLens will map your space and surroundings to locate the walls, floors, and surfaces around you. Now your virtual world has the potential to interact with the physical.
You can interact with the virtual using your gaze and your hand gesture. The gaze is where you are looking, and it is reflected by a small cursor. The air tap hand gesture works in coordination with the gaze and enables you to interact with the digital. Now you are ready to select your pet and bring it to life. You can even have spatial sound added to your experience. When you gaze over your bird, a tooltip will offer further information. You can even talk to your pet and ask it to sing. Sing.
Air tap on the sit button, and the bird will choose a near physical location to rest on. Anchor or save the exact location of your pet, and when you close the application and open it again, you will see the bird in the exact anchored location. You can even adjust the size of your pet as you see fit and scale up your experience.
Make sure to check the Buildwagon platform and get access to the HoloBuild library, in addition to a detailed tutorial that will introduce you to the programming of the HoloLens.